Okay, so in the previous lesson, I had shown you how to create the nose using the formula-based system. So make sure that you go under File and do Save As and save the last lesson as Lesson 2, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus sign over here, and this will now become Lesson 3, and let's go ahead and save this over here. So now we're going to define the eye. Now go ahead and click on Tab View and zoom in like this, do Shift and middle mouse button to just get it just like this over here. What we want to do is go ahead and select on this, Shift key down, select these guys. I'm going to press on E to extrude, right click to cancel this. I'm going to smooth it 4 times. W, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So next I want to go ahead and select on this, Shift key down and select on this, and I'm going to do Control A. Remember this Control A is coming from rotate edges, the shortcut that we added in Lesson 2. So I'm going to do Control A 1 time just like this. Next, go ahead and select on this, Shift key down, select on this, and then do Control A 2 times. Okay. Next, you're going to select on this, and then do Control A 2 times. Now you're going to lastly select this one and do Control A. So you can see, because of this feature in Blender, that we can manipulate the flow of topology. Here I was able to basically create this design over here, right? So this is going to be the edge of your eye over here, and this is going to be the other edge. Okay, so we'll figure out, well, actually I'm going to show you how we will resize it. So basically just remember that this dot over here, the edge of the eye, is going to end up over here automatically using this formula-based system. So next I want you to go ahead and select this. Now you can press the C key to make it a little more quicker, or you can just right click and the Shift key down. So here we're going to do extrude, and we're just going to right click to get out of it. We're going to do smooth 4 times again. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So this is now defining the structure of the eye. So I want you to move it to the left, 1 and then 2 and 3 over here, and then 1 and then only 2. See this red line over here? This is where your eyes are going to be. They're basically going to follow approximately the location of this red line. I'm just going to do rotate. I'm going to rotate it 1 time over here. Okay. Next, go to your right view. You're going to do Shift and this. Remember, at any time you can just press the period key. It'll just zoom in like this over here to your selection. Anyways, let's zoom in just like this so we get these increments over here. So here I'm going to do 1, 2, and then 3. Now I'm going to show you that if you click on this, Shift key down this one, you're going to move it in 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. So if you do your middle mouse button, you will begin to understand how deep the eye actually goes from the front ear of this area of the nose. Okay, so just realize this. And then the other thing you should notice is that how the eye curves. See how this is working, how the structure of the skull is. So here's the front of the eye, and then look what happens from the right. You see more of the eyeball over here. It's because of how the eye is actually angled on the skull. So this is something to be aware of when you're learning about anatomy as to how it works. Anyway, so now that I've gotten this in place, I'm just going to do Control R and put an edge loop over here just to park everything. Go back to your face select mode. Go ahead and select these. I'm just going to do C to quickly select this. Right click. So here I'm going to do E to extrude, cancel out of that, do W and smooth 1 time. I'm going to do E to extrude, cancel, and then W and smooth 1 time. Okay. So here we get 1, 2, and then 3, and then over here we need 1 more over here. So I'm going to do A to extrude over here, but we're not going to smooth it. We're just going to go to the right view. We're just going to go 1 and then 2 over here, and over here come like this. Press the Shift key down, click on this, then right view, then do E to extrude, then do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Just take it in, right? We're going to delete that a little later. Well, do Tab key. So I want you to notice is what we've done here. Okay, so this here is going to be your tear duct, right? And this will become your eyelid very quickly. You'll see how this whole thing works in a second. So now that we have this, we're going to get this face over here. We're going to go to the right view. So now this is going to become well, you can call it, this is really the bottom of the eyelid, or kind of, you can call them like the eye bag area. So here we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to move it 1, 2. Okay. Then over here, you're going to get another one over here. Go back to your right view. You're going to bring it in 1 and then bring it in 1 time over here. Okay. So next that we have this set up, I'm going to do Control R, add an edge loop over here, and right click. So you're going to basically get this edge. You'll notice that it switches to edges over here. So if I right click this edge, shift key down on this one, I'm just going to go to my right view. Now I'm going to take this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is really something that you can change around. Obviously, you can change any formulas around, but if you look at what we've done, it's basically, if you do your middle mouse button, we're taking this in because we need to bring the eyelid out. It depends on your character design, but I'm just going to leave it this way. So anyways, go ahead and select this one, shift key down, select this one, go to your right view. Now we're going to bring the top eyelid out. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, and we're going to bring it down 1, 2 over here. Okay. Now I'm going to do Control R and add an edge loop over here. Okay. You'll see it kind of like this. It's hard to see. Just one edge loop. Just hover your mouse like this, left click, and then right click over here. Okay. And we're going to use this a little later to our advantage. Now I'm going to do the front view. Okay. So what I want to do now is go to shift over here. I'm going to go ahead and click on these vertices over here. Just click on this one, this one, this, and this. You're just going to bring it down 1 and then 2 over here. Okay, and actually bring this one down just a bit. Go ahead and select this vertex over here, this vertex, not that one. Go to your front view and just going to move it up 1 and then 2. The reason we did that is because it gives you this nice idea for the eye, right? So if you move out, you'll see that we've automatically defined the structure correctly over here. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into the face select mode. Now go ahead and select on this one. Now do Control A to rotate it like this. Go ahead and select on this one and do Control A one more time. Okay. And this is just really defining this edge area over here as to how the eye is. Okay. Now A to select, A to deselect. Go ahead and select everything, and now we're going to select everything over here just like how I showed you. You might want to go like this and press C, and just might want to look over here. Press this, A like this. So remember, as I had said, that this is what you want to be aware of, this dot over here, and basically the edge needs to come. So I'm just going to move it in 1, 2, and I believe I'm just going to leave it at 1, 2, or you can do 3. Okay, and this will simply just make the eye the correct size. Okay, and I'm just going to see, I think I'm just going to do it 1 this time for this time, right? Depends on what type of look you're trying to get. So you can see there we get a nice size eyes. Basically these are correctly sized, and this is just fine. A to deselect. So next I'm going to go ahead and click this. Now I'm going to finish this off, do Control A 1 time over here, then we're going to click on these two, do Control A 2 times. Reason we did this is because now this will give us the nice edge over here, and the eye is done. So now let's go ahead and create the eyeball. So A to select, A to deselect, and we're just going to select these guys over here. See this inside? We're going to do E, X, and delete the faces. So we'll just get rid of those guys. So if you click on the edge over here, if you do Alt and click on this, it'll just simply select this. If you do Z, you can see what I'm selecting. And front view. Now, what we need to do is actually move this to the right. Now, before I do that, I want you to understand something over here. So here's the ear duct, all right? This is the tear duct over here. So this is our line over here. This is the edge of the eye over here. So we want the eyeball to be right here in the center. And here we selected the edge loop. So the reason I'm doing this is because I'm simply going to move it 1, 2 over here. okay, to the right around so. And this is just to place this over here by selecting these. So now if I do shift and the S key, it will allow me to actually move the 3D cursor to the selected. If I do cursor to selected, it's going to drop the 3D cursor. If you look with your middle mouse button, it's dropping it right there. Okay, now we're going to click off clipping, going to do Shift A, and we're going to add a UV sphere. So it's just going to add it right in front of our face. Go ahead and click on this and just type in 12 and 12 over here. Okay, now I'm going to do S to scale. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you should have one more, 9. I'm going to go ahead and make sure clipping is back on. I'm going to go to my right view by pressing 3. I'm going to press on the R key to rotate. I'm going to type in 90 and press enter. Right, so if you go to your front view, you can see that we basically placed the eye correctly over here. Now go ahead and click this off. You're going to have to click this off over here. And now we're simply going to scale this, press the S key and just scale it out just a bit over here. You see how it's coming through the eyelid? Don't worry about that. Just make it come right around here, okay? And go to your right view and just make it come right around here so it touches this area. This is where I'm staring at, okay? Front view, and I'm just going to scale it in just a bit more. Now, what you want to do is make sure you're on the edges over here. A to deselect. Now remember, because this is a separate object, if I hover my mouse over here and press L, I can simply just select the eye and A to deselect. If I press L on the face, it simply selects the face and not the eye. Okay, so I'm just going to move it like this. Now here, we've been moving faces and vertices. Now we're going to move edges. Okay, so I want you to select this and just get the view to look like this. Press the G key and just bring it up a little bit. Okay, just like so. And over here, this edge loop that we had added, you can press G to bring it just down a little bit and just bring it down. Not too much, just bring it down over here like so. I'm just moving a few things around over here. Just going to give it a little more thickness over here. And over here, I'm not going to really mess around with the vertices too much. You don't have to do too much over here, just to make sure that you're happy with the results. And actually over here, I'm just going to move this out just a bit too. Okay, so I've got that in place. And then of course you can move any of these if you really want to just come in a little bit more over here. I'm just going to leave that be. So now I'm going to make sure that I go into my object mode and click on smooth. Okay, so now what we've done is correctly define the eye. Now you can look at it from the right view over here and just look at it from different angles. Make sure you're happy with the results. So you can see that we were able to quickly define the eye and the nose so far with this formula-based system. So now you can see that the 3D cursor is over here. So you can go under object and do snap. You can do cursor to center, or you can simply do shift and C, and it will simply just move the cursor over here right smack in the center of the actual grid. Okay. Okay, so we've completed this section over here. So I will see you in the next lesson. Before I do that, actually, let me go ahead and make sure that I have saved this as lesson 3. Okay, thank you.